must have hurt. Say the heels on your feet, the strap around your ankle. Call that bitch Bojangles. Juicy like fruit or a douche like Goop. Loose and get loose on the goose for real.
Ride off, get your ass a table dance. If you got TND and bring a friend. Ho, shake your ass to the song again. If you ain't with it, well, go on then. We ain't no boys, we grown then. You ain't gon' dance, well, don't then. Why you wanna waste a nigga song then? See your ass down doing nothing.
On the floor wide open. Eat so much, they all up in the ocean. Like a 18-wheeler. That whole vibe, but this whole killer.
She's soaking wet. Soaking wet.
Shake it like a salt shell.
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 Shout it, put your hands on it. Bounce that ass up and down, make a nigga wave. Face the wall, shout it, put your hands on it. Bounce that ass up and down, make a nigga wave. Throw that ass round around like a motherfucking wheel. Shake that shit, this ain't no motherfucking drill. Throw that ass round around like a motherfucking wheel. Shake that shit, this ain't no motherfucking drill. Get drunk with it, get loose with it. Like Shaw said, let Bruce hit it. Get drunk with it, get loose with it. Like Shaw said, let Bruce hit it. Yeah, shake that ass real fast this time. Shake that ass real fast this time. Shake that ass real fast this drop. Shake that ass real fast this drop. On the floor wide open. Eat so much, they all up in the ocean. Like a 18-wheeler. That whole vibe with this whole killer.
She's soaking wet. Soaking wet.
Shake it like a salt shaker.
Shake it like a salt shaker.
Shake it like a salt shaker.
Shake it like a salt shaker. Shake it like $1, $5 or $10. But what would you do for a 20?